Sa pagdating ng espesyal na araw ng mga ama, nais naming bigyang pugay ang bawat ama sa buong mundo. Lalo na ang mga mapagmahal at matatapang na ama na nagbibigay inspirasyon sa aming mga buhay. Tulad ng sinabi sa Colossus chapter 3 verse 21, Mga ama, huwag ninyong ipagbawal sa inyong mga anak ang manglumo. Baka sila'y manglumo sa espiritu. Bagkus ay turuan ninyo sila sa paraang nararapat at makatarungan, ayon sa kautusan ng Panginoon. Sa bawat hagikik ng palaro, sa bawat tawa sa kwentuhan, at sa bawat luha ng pasakit. Lagi kayong nariyan, handang makinig at magmahal. Salamat sa inyong pagpapakumbaba at pagbibigay ng inyong oras at pagmamahal sa amin. Sa araw ng mga ama, nais naming iparating ang aming malalim na pasasalamat at pagpapahalaga sa inyo. Alam namin na ang inyong pagiging ama ay higit pa sa mga salita. Ito'y isang pangako at pagpupunyagi na itinataguyod ninyo araw-araw. Maraming salamat sa inyo, mga ama. Happy Father's Day!
The world can be so noisy and confusing. It's easy for a child to feel so small, but there's a perfect plan in place to help me, created by the Father of us all, who gave me someone who lights the way with every step I take, someone who's always on my side, someone who cheers me on, who shows me right from wrong, who feels my heartache when I cry, someone who takes my hand and tells me that I can become who I'm striving to be. Oh, I sing my praises to the one who gave me you, for you are that someone to me. You tell me I am strong and full of promise.
Papa, love you. Happy Father's Day. Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa. I love you, Papa. Ayan.
Happy Father's Day, Papa! Thank you po sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga sa akin. At Happy Father's Day, Lolo Romy! Thank you po sa pagmamahal sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo ni Papa at Lolo Romy.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Salamat po sa pagtrabaho niyo po para sa amin. Salamat din po sa pagtuturo niyo po sa mga lessons na hirap kami. Salamat din po dahil nagli-leave ka po sa work mo dahil may birthday po kami. Happy Father's Day, Papa. I love you.
Happy Father's Day, Papa! Salamat, Papa, sa pagtatrabaho para sa amin. Salamat din sa pagdidisiplina sa akin at pagturo tungkol sa God.
Hello everyone, today is Father's Day and now I'm recording this video because I want to thank all the fathers out there who are supporting their child and taking care of their family as they're still alive. And also I want to thank my father who is supporting me and taking care of me with all his strength and might so I can have a bright future. Now, today he's actually a very overworked and very tired worker through Manila or Tagaytay, but he tries his hardest and his best to support not just me but my entire family. Even though both of his grandparents died, he's still a strong man holding his will to support me and my family. Also, his past was very shocking and very interesting to me when I first learned it, but now he's actually very tired and overworked, like that he has to use a car and he has to drive it, and He also has to work long hours in his office, but he's very supporting and also very caring, not just me, but to my family. And again, I want to thank all the fathers out there who are supporting and taking care of their child, but not just their child, but their entire family. Happy Father's Day, and thank you.
Hi pa, Happy Father's Day. Salamat sa lagi mong pagbibigay sa amin ng gabay at saka pagmamahal na rin. Huwag ka lagi mag-overwork kasi baka sungkit pa mo. Ayun lang. Happy Father's Day. Thank you.
So, yun pa. Hi. Happy Father's Day. At maraming salamat sa mga guidance na binabahagi mo sa amin. And ganun na rin sa provisions. Ganun na rin sa mga maraming salamat sa mga sa pag-provide sa amin sa mga pangangailangan namin sa pang-araw-araw. And ayun lang. God bless and Happy Father's Day ulit.
Hi Dad, Happy Father's Day po. Gusto ko lang po kayo pasalamatan sa lahat po ng ginawa niyo para sa aming magkakapatid, sa opportunities po, sa experiences po, and sa discipline and life lessons po na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Tama rin po sa pagdala niyo po sa akin ng clothes niyo po. Shout out po sa inyo, Dad. Yun lang po. Love you, Dad. Pass the mic.
Nahulog pa nga. So, my turn. Thank you, Dad, sa suporta and sa pagmamahal na pinakita niyo po sa aming tatlo. Salamat po na sa pagpatuloy niyo pong pagturo sa amin ng mga lessons, especially sa akin since alis na po ako. Lagi ko pong tatandaan yung mga turo niyo. And thank you po sa pagkayod at sa work hard niyo po para sa kinabukasan namin. For sure, babawi po kami sa inyo. Happy Father's Day po ulit, Dad, and we love you.
Hi Dad, kamusta ka naman? Happy Father's Day sa pinakapoging tatay sa mundo. Sa totoo lang, miss na kita, Dad, and miss ko na yung inyong guidance and your advice palagi sa akin. I'm really grateful for everything that you've given me, and I'm really thankful rin sa inyong support dito sa Canada. I hope na you're having fun there with the family, and I'll come visit you guys soon. Thank you sa lahat. Love you, Daddy.
Lupa. Masasabi ko lamang sa iyo, thank you po nagtalaga po sa amin, at hindi na po yan. Ay kahit malayo po kayo, I promise I pray for you every day. At din po yan. Pa, bike po tayo ulit. At pa, sakay tayo motor. Pa, jog tayo ulit. Kung pag-uwi po tayo, pasyal tayo ulit. Sige po. Pa, love you po.
Hello! Sa pinaka-pogi kong papa, Happy Father's Day sa'yo. At enjoy the day. I love you. I miss you. Bye-bye!
Papa, Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day!
And advance happy birthday! I love you! Nakikisama si Simba. Treat ka kay Papa. Happy Father's Day,
Happy
Papa!
Father's Day po.
I love you! Always be healthy, and huwag mong pabayaan sa sarili mo. Mahal naman namin kayo ni Mama. I love you, Papa. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Lolo. We love you.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. We miss you. We love you. Nagis.
Father's Day, Papa. Happy Father's Day, Tatay. I love you. I love you. Father's Day, Papa. I love you.
Enjoy.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone, and happy Father's Day to all. Especially po sa aking husband, si Erickson. Alam ko you're a very hardworking person. Noon pa man, kahit nag-umpisa pa lang tayo. I know your hardships, I know your struggles, kasi sinishare mo sa akin yan, even sa family mo. And I'm so grateful to the Lord na ikaw yung binigay mo sa akin. Especially now na you're going to be a father soon. Ayan. At alam mo yan na pinag-pray natin yan sa Panginoon. And finally, binigay niya talaga. And sabi ko nga sa'yo, delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. Psalms 37:4. Alam mo yan, palagi kong sinasabi sa iyo yan, lalo na sa mga devotions natin. Marami kang mga prayer requests. And sabi ko sa iyo, God will make it happen as long na talagang you serve Him faithfully. Alam ko marami kang pangarap, Daddy, marami kang mga gusto pang marating sa buhay. And I know God is always there to help you. And thankful din ako sa Panginoon na lalo ngayon, ikaw lahat-lahat sa lahat ng mga errands, sa lahat ng trabaho, sa lahat ng pag-budget, financially, I know na talagang marunong ka. And I'm so happy with your life. You're a very simple person, and yet very supportive, very understanding. Kaya I really thank God na ikaw yung binigay niya para sa akin. And really, this day is for you. Happy Father's Day. Thank you. I love you.
Hi, Pa. Happy Father's Day. I know both of your children are not there to celebrate your special day today. And this is the first though na wala kami dyan both. But I just want to take this opportunity to greet you Happy Father's Day. So, Happy Father's Day, Pa. We thank you for your love. We thank you for your sacrifices, your efforts, your hard work and support just to meet the needs of the family. And thank you as well sa perseverance and patience niyo para lang makagraduate kaming dalawa ni Ate. And even more na we're both SREs na we thank you for that. Your perseverance and patience, your sacrifices and hard works brought us to who we are today and what we are today. So a simple thank you isn't enough, but we are so thankful, we are so blessed, we are so grateful for that. And we thank you then for your daily reminders na we should trust God in everything that we do. We should pray sa mga decisions natin na it will be God's will, it will be God's grace. And ito yung like testimony din talaga na prayer works, and even if you trust God and pray for it, it will happen talaga. And we thank you for that. We are so blessed to have you both as our parents. Thank you for your teachings. Thank you for teaching us your ways, and even to live according to God's plan, or live according to God's way. And lastly, thank you for spoiling us with things, and it's our turn to return the favor. Sa akin, sulpa. So, ayun lang. Thank you. And I'm so grateful sa inyong dalawa ni Mama. So, I love you both. I love you, Pa. I love you, Ma. See you soon. And again, Happy Father's Day. Bye-bye.
Hi, Papa. Happy Father's Day. I miss you guys so much, and thank you for always providing for us. Salamat sa mga sacrifices na binigay mo para sa amin. And thank you because I am here today, because you've been so supportive ever since day one. And thank you for buying the things that I need, kahit mga girl things. Most especially recently, marami akong mga pinapili. And I pray for your good health and more blessings to come for you and the whole family. I love you so much and I miss you.
Someone who lights the way.